Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can use aluminium foil to grill your tilapia or fish on top your stove like you are cooking. Yeah, it's like you are cooking. Yeah, it's very easy and tastes very yummy. Hey, so this one, let me show you how it's going to look. Yeah, remove it's already cooked, so I'm removing the thing on it and see. Oh my god, check how yummy it looks. It's hot. Wow, check. Wow, hey, oh my god. It's hot. Yummy. It's very yummy. So let me show you how we are going to make it. This one I have cleaned it with vinegar and lemon. Good. I take all bad scent from it and then I'm drying it. You're supposed to dry it and you use your knife to mark it like this. The way I'm making it, you do the same. Yeah, you mark it both side and side. Yeah, because this one is very big and this is the thing I'm going to season it. Leek, onions, bell pepper, garlic and ginger, and then I add bay leaves to it, and then I add thyme. Yeah, if you have rosemary you can add it, and I add thyme and my vegetable stock. That's vegetable bouillon. Yeah, you add some to it, or any spices you feel to add it, you can add it. And I add Adobo. Adobo is my salt. I'm going to add it. This all-purpose season, and then I add my fish season. Yeah, so you know it's fish. And then I add my curry powder. Yeah, this also give nice taste. Then I add oil, and after that I add small water to it again, and you add a pinch of salt, you add black pepper. Yeah, so any spices you prefer to add it, go ahead and add it. This is the paprika powder. Then I add the water. Yeah, so not too much, small water, and you blend it until smooth. So then I have already blended it. I put my aluminium foil like this, then I put my tilapia like this. Yeah, and then I add my season. The season I blend it, I add everything to it. So you should taste. If the salt, the taste is not good, you can add a little bit of salt to it. Yeah, and you put everything to the corner of your tilapia or the fish you are making it. Yeah, so you see how I'm making it. It's better you should put hand gloves because it's pepper, it's very hot, and if you didn't take care, you take it onto your face. That's why you saw me, I'm wearing hand gloves. Yeah, it's very easy and it tastes very yummy. Hey, stop, it's very easy recipe. So if you don't have oven, or you don't have charcoal, you don't have barbecue things to make it, this is the best way. So this is the Maggi aroma I'm adding to it, also give taste. Yeah, so if you don't have those one, you can use only salt to make it. Then I add my bell pepper to it and my onions, slicing bell pepper and onions I add also to it. So both, you see, green and red bell pepper, and then you fold it nice like this. You see how I'm folding it? Yeah, you should make it the same. Yeah, it's very easy and it don't take your time. It's simple to make it. Then after this, because you need to cover it good, otherwise the water will come out into the fry pan you are going to use. This is my deep fry pan I'm using it. This one is very heavy one. It's very good and it's help to cook very good. Yeah, if you have deep sauce pan and it's heavy, you can use that one also make it. Then I cover it. I set the heat to medium high temperature, and I will let it to cook getting to 1 hour before it's ready, and I take it out and check how yummy it looks. You see, it's very simple recipe. It's very easy. You can eat without anything. You can eat with rice, bangkun, yeah, name it. Yeah, and taste very yummy. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.